98,000 yuan the Audi Kalba that 3 million landed that year. My friend advised me that no one dares to take this car. Definitely hit the hand. I said we have been renovating old cars for so many years. As long as he has one screw left, we can bring it back to life. So here's how we turn stone into gold. Let this 3 million supercar blow through the streets again. Brothers, do it. The particularity of the rear engine can only be removed from the rear chandelier. Successfully discharged this V10 heart. Engine breakup work officially started. Engine dismantling complete. The strain of the activation plug group in the cylinder is quite serious. According to the original maintenance water times, it has reached the scrap standard. For a performance car, carbon steel lower set is purely a job. It won't take long to repair. Brand new original accessories. Put it on and it's called a death. The engine was successfully assembled, waiting for loading. Watch this heart come back to life full of blood. Vehicle color change start. The end of the year is getting closer and closer. Red is symmetrical this lively new year. Do you see if this color is bright enough? Certainly. We use all German BASF water-based parrot paint. Only with this quality can the final color change effect be properly guaranteed. See if this is bright enough before polishing. Full-time, all-parts camouflage. The vehicle refurbishment is done. First, look at the new effect of the exterior and interior.